जरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे, काहे घबराए. Hi there, this song is not about headaches and stuff like that and about tail malish. It's actually just a creative way of telling you or expressing that, just as you as a human, you have a headache, or I'm so sorry about that, or you have, you know, your head going in circles, or your body temperature dropping down because of the heat and stuff. Animals around you feel the same way, be it cats, be it cows, be it dogs, be it monkeys and stuff. So, a good idea would be to keep them in places which are. I'm so sorry about that. My dogs are chasing a cat here. But coming back to the point, that because they feel hot and they are not privileged enough to have air conditioners or fans on the street and the roads and stuff, a good idea or a request would be to leave some provisions for water and food and stuff for them. Yeah. So I was just walking down the street and I realized that two of the vessels where they have water have dried up in the sun, and these dogs are not getting any water. So luckily I was carrying a bottle of water for myself. I just filled up and I let the dog have the water and stuff. Then I walked to the second area of the community feeding zone for the strays, and normally other dogs also come in, and I realized that the water was available. So 2 or 3 of them were drinking water when they saw me and stuff. So just a request or reminder, since it's getting warmer and hotter, please place some water. As see this, we have this here. We've got a tank here, and we've put a earthen bowl here because we realize plastic is not a very good idea. And also a good idea would be to change the water, because if you research it and if you understand it well, the bowls in which you feed the dogs or give water in the dogs also accumulate bacteria or different kind of germs which are not very friendly for them. And if you sterilize them or not sterilize them, most of them are actually sterilized around you. So you will notice that if the bowl has been changed and stuff, the dogs fall less sick and they have less of stomach issues and stuff. It's also probably the bowls, many a times, even at homes, for people who own good breeds and stuff, that if the bowl is not cleaned every day, there is a film of bacteria or germs that accumulates there, and as a result of that, your dog normally gets upset stomach, and then it becomes a little problematic for the animal and for the owners. So a request would be, as you watch my video, idea is not to just like it. It's okay. I mean, even if you don't like it, it's fine with me, because most of my shares are not here for likes and stuff. And most of the shares are just to kind of share ideas and thoughts and all that. So it would be nice if you have bowls with water and food and stuff, and that would definitely help these animals stay cool. And if you have sheds like these, it's good. If you have trees like those, always a good idea to make those dogs sit next to places which are totally green and clean, because like humans, they are also very fond of cleanliness and stuff. And if you adopted a dog, let me tell you this, that if you adopted a dog, a stray dog can be trained and is as good as a good pedigree. My dog is an example, and there are lots of others that I know, that when they sit on the bed, they want a clean bed, they want a clean carpet, they want a clean quilt, they want a clean sheet and stuff. So this preconceived thing about if it's a stray, he's going to be wanting a messy area or a zone, or we must keep it like that, is a bad practice to have. Yeah, so try and change the water bowls and the food bowls, and be nice and being compassionate, be warm, because just like you would just fall down on the street, so animal can't even say anything. And why do you want them to go through this, and then the caretakers and animal volunteers and NGO people have to rush in, and it becomes a little chaotic and not so amazing for a lot of people around and stuff, right? So Jashin Kapani is my name, and I'm in Delhi right now. This is not an official one, so I'm not sharing my work and stuff, but I definitely have been supporting animals. I've been feeding a lot of them over the years and stuff. In fact, 7 puppies have been puppy raised by me. Now, the numbers they've grown. I've started feeding dogs under my gym, and I've actually like bought and picked up biscuits and food for dogs, and I plan to not feed the ones who are in my neighborhood because they're any which ways getting the food, but on the street also I see so many of them. So it's as good as buying a pack of cigarette or alcohol over the weekend, or a coffee, or a packet of biscuit, or a pizza. Biscuits and stuff don't cost you much. I'm not talking about Parle-G. A good idea to not give them Parle-G biscuits, but a good idea would be to give them dog biscuits, yeah, and not too many of them, because also they also like burgers and cokes for dogs. So a good idea would be to give khana, yeah. So khana banaiye ya khana arrange kijiye aur dijiye, as simple as that, right? Bye bye, take care and have fun, have a blast, bye.